What's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make this flying balloon at home. It's not so big, that's why it's not flying. You can make it easily by using sodium hydroxide and drain cleaner at home. It's easily available. Let's get started. All you need is a glass bottle. I am taking a ketchup bottle. Do not perform this experiment in a plastic or metal container. Sodium hydroxide reacts with metals and may corrode it, especially aluminium. As this is an exothermic reaction, it releases a lot of heat and can melt plastic bottle. So prefer using a glass bottle. And you need aluminium foil or aluminium pieces works as well. And then you need sodium hydroxide. This is a drain cleaner which is easily available in the market. I kept this in open air for a long time so it turned like this, absorbing all the moisture in the air. Now take a balloon and fill it with drain cleaner. Tear the aluminium foil into pieces so that we can easily fill them in bottle. Add all those pieces into the bottle and add some water.
Here we go.
Now take the balloon and attach it to the bottle and shake the bottle lightly so that sodium hydroxide in the balloon goes into the bottle and sodium hydroxide mixes up easily and reaction happens faster. See, it started to fill the balloon. It's hydrogen gas, lighter than the normal air, which makes it less denser and fly it. When sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium, it produces sodium aluminate, hydrogen gas and water. See the bubbles and reaction. It looks so satisfying when you look at it directly. Due to unwanted reflections, you may not completely enjoy the reaction in the camera. Growing big and big. Now take the balloon and tie it with thread. Blasted. Oh no. I immediately made one more hydrogen balloon and this is it. Be careful as hydrogen is highly inflammable. See, it's flying. Flying balloon in a budget at home.
Invincible.
Let's see some clips from my old video with the same concept. Boom. I hope you like this video. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.